going on, Bam Fam? I'm going out today for a little ride and to kind of explain to y'all what's been going on with me for the past couple of weeks and as to why I haven't been posting. So, let's get into it. Bam, bam. Alright, first of all, I have a different microphone today, so let me know if you like this microphone a little bit better, a little bit worse, how it works for you. This one is actually the microphone to my FT4 Pro, my Lexan Moto Bluetooth headset. So it actually has like speakers and stuff that go to it, but obviously all I need is the microphone function. Hopefully this will be better audio quality for you. We will see. Alright, reason number one, not posting a video in the past couple of weeks. I was lifting weights and decided I would do something awesome and headbutt a barbell. And I split my right eye, my right eyebrow open. I went to the doctor for it. They said it needed stitches. I declined said stitches, and now here we are. So it's healing up very nicely. It's got a pretty gnarly scar on it. I like it. It looks good. So I couldn't ride for a couple of days, a few days, a week, while that, you know, healed up, kind of sealed up, so it wasn't oozing all over my helmet or my face. Just gonna. There we go. All right. Reason number two as to why I have not posted in a while. 2 weeks, to be exact. I threw my back out. Yep, that's right. I'm old. I'm 31. I threw my back out. Whatever. I was doing something nice. I was at the gym, of course. I was at the gym 2 days after I split my eyebrow open. At the gym again. Stretching, warming up, had a good sweat on. I had been stretching and warming up for about 15 minutes, and I saw a piece of trash on the floor that somebody had left, so I was like, you know what, I'm gonna be a good person, go pick that trash up. And lo and behold, I threw my stinking back out, standing back up. Yeah, we got a thumbs up, Bo. So yeah, I threw my back out. So I haven't been able to ride because of that. But the doctor did give me some badass lidocaine patches and some Mobix? Is that it?
Samsonite. I was way off. I knew it started with an S though.
If you don't get that reference, I'm gonna be quite sad. Reason number three. I am currently enrolled in 2 college classes along with my full-time job and trying to edit YouTube videos. So sometimes the workload gets a little bit much. Something has to give. Obviously work has to happen, and obviously those college classes have to happen. So YouTube is the first thing to go for me, since it is a hobby of mine. If y'all didn't know, if y'all didn't realize, I post every single Monday. Well, try to post every single Monday, and I try and post at 10 o'clock. So whenever I do post, it is going to be on a Monday. It is going to be at 10 o'clock. So if you're new here, that's whenever I post, Mondays at 10, when I do get the chance to post. Occasionally my workload gets a little bit much, so I cannot get to YouTube. That's where my son goes to Taekwondo. Side kicks. Nailed it. Cruise control. Alright, recap. Reason number one, split the eyebrow open. Reason number two, threw my back out. Reason number three, school. Alright guys, next time you see me, I will be in Tennessee. Well, actually, I will have come back from Tennessee already once this video releases. I will have already come back from Tennessee. However, the video after this one that you see will be the Tennessee video. Hopefully I get some awesome riding footage. It's supposed to be sunny. It's supposed to be awesome weather. I can't wait. So until then, I will catch y'all next time. Bam Bam out.